Baby Monitor Mount Flex fits all baby monitors. In the box, you get the strong flexible arm, which includes a sturdy anti-slip padded cushion clamp, universal baby monitor mount shelf, and also safety instructions. The strong flexible arm can be bent in any direction and retains its shape. The universal baby monitor shelf simply plugs into the end of the arm, and the special ball and socket design allows you to angle your monitor in all directions. The sturdy clamp allows you to clamp the device to furniture, architraves, change tables, and other items as required. The universal shelf fits all baby monitors using 3M peel and stick technology. The special cord connectors allow you to strap the cords of your baby monitor along the flexible arm in order to keep them out of harm's way. The Baby Monitor Mount Flex fits all baby monitors and provides you with the best view of your baby.